welcome back to another video. Today, I went to the store. I bought some squishies, but it was open. I'm like this, and it was open, so I was like, I think it was open, but I still bought it anyways. It was $1 for some reason, and it has 42. This is like 52, but it's 42. And we're just gonna do it. Where's the other Clutch Charm? Oh yeah, my cousin gave me this, but I don't know where the other Clutch Charm is. It's so cute, the other one. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So first, I'm gonna start with the Santa Claus. I'm gonna be opening them too. I'll just open it like this. Okay, this is kind of hard for me. She told me the word. I got something. Okay. I was like, that's a Clutch Charm. So we got the Santa Claus. It's like so cute. Then this Christmas tree is so cute. So, open it. Gosh, this one's hard. Tonight. Ooh, got this Christmas tree. My favorite ones are the 3D ones. They're the best ones. But I haven't got any 3D ones. Oh, I found a Clutch Charm. Okay, it's this one. So cute. I have this one. Or the one that I showed you. Or this one. And she just gave me this cute little chapstick. It smells so good. It smells like cherries and strawberries. Next, let's open. I got like multiple Christmas trees because there's popping. So cute, and it has a little bow, but if the bow was red, cuter. But no. Okay, this cute little reindeer is like 3D, just the mouth is big, I guess. So it's basically not 3D. I don't know. The reindeer is so cute. So cute. Oh yeah, my aunt gave me this ring. I'll say the 3D ones for last. I don't know if that one's kind of 3D one, but I have a 3D one. Okay, these bells. This cookie gingerbread. Snowflake. I don't know if I showed it yet. I think I did, but I didn't open it. It's so cute. Stretchy. And this is the glow in the dark one. Glow in the dark. It's so cute. It has a little hat, but why is it not red? Okay, next it's this one. So yeah. Next one is this little flower. It's so cute. So cute. This is what, like, when I saw it, I was like, it's so cute. I wish this one didn't come out, but I hope there was more though. So cute. It's like so squishy. I'll tell you which is my favorite one after. I don't know why I put this one over there. Okay. Let's open this one. Oh, this one's cute. A little stocking. Do you want to tell me to save for last? Just check out all the ones that are not 3D. I have 2 3D. So. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Okay, let's do this one. This one's a cute little snowman. Cute little snowman. Another snowman. I got like 5 snowmans. Well, not like 5 snowmans. snowmans. I just got 3 snowmans. So for my information, it's 5. Okay, so this little cute snowman. Okay, this one's, I dropped a squishy. I'll pick that up. It's a chopstick that I got. Okay, this is 3D. Not 3D. Glow in the dark, I meant. And then we have this cute little Santa bag. It's so cute. It says on there was a white one, but I think it fell off. But it's fine. It's fine. And now we got another snowman. Another snowman. And that's all. Oh yeah, the 3D ones. Okay, the 3D ones, I got 2. Okay. I think this one's not 3D. I don't know. It's just because it has like that. But I know the one that I got. Ooh, that was a nice pop. It's 3D. I don't know if this is 3D. But I just call it 3D. This one is 3D. This one is 3D. I can't pop it. Ooh, okay. No, I dropped it. Okay, got it. This little cute present. It's so cute. And that's all, y'all. My favorite one's gonna be, I'll pick 2. This one, of course, the squishy little present. And I'll pick 3. Nah, just these 2. And the little snowflake. These are my favorites. Comment down below which one's your favorite. Bye, y'all.